Hello viewers, welcome to Khalajan's kitchen. I'm Farhanda and today I'm making curried potatoes. Usually puris are served with this kind of curried potatoes, but you can have them with parathas or rotis. To make this curry, we need 5 medium-sized potatoes. I usually peel the potatoes, cut them into 4 pieces and then boil them. That way they are cooked faster. 3 to 4 tablespoons of chopped fresh coriander, 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 tomatoes grated or crushed, half a teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, half a teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon chilli flakes, 2 whole dried red chilies, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, half a teaspoon of whole cumin, 2 to 3 tablespoons of dried fenugreek leaves, 1 tablespoon of whole coriander seeds, 8 to 10 curry leaves, and 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. Besides these, we will need 1.5 to 2 cups of water. We'll start by boiling the potatoes, and while the potatoes are being boiled, we will start with the masala. We will dry roast the whole coriander seeds, the fennel seeds, and the curry leaves. We don't want them to change color, we just want them dried up a little bit. Then we will cool them and then grind them coarsely. Place a pan on medium-high heat and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. When it heats up, add the whole cumin seeds and the fenugreek seeds. And then add the tomatoes. I grated them, you can crush them if you wish. And then add the coarsely ground coriander and fennel seeds and the curry leaves, along with the salt, turmeric, chilli flakes, coriander powder, cumin powder, and the 2 dried red chilies. These chilies are only for flavor. If you want more heat in the curry, you can crush these chilies as well. Cook the masala until it releases its oil. After 4 or 5 minutes of cooking, the moisture from the tomatoes has evaporated and the masala has released its oil. At this stage, we will add about half a cup of water along with the dried fenugreek leaves. Mix the masala with the fenugreek leaves and the water and let it cook for a few minutes. To boil the potatoes, I first peeled them, cut them into 4 pieces and then boiled them. This way the potatoes cook in less time. After the potatoes are cooled, we are just going to press them slightly so they break into smaller and larger pieces. We don't want to mash them and we don't want to cut them. Now we will add the potatoes to the masala along with 1 cup of water. Stir in the water and the potatoes with the masala and let it cook until it comes to a boil. The potatoes have been cooking now for about 3 to 4 minutes and some of the water has evaporated. Our potato curry is now ready. The last thing to go in is the chopped fresh coriander. As the potato curry cools, it will thicken. So if you want the curry to be a little bit thin, then add more water. And there you have it. Our potato curry is now ready to be served. Today I'm serving it with puris, but you can serve them with parathas or rotis. Do try this recipe. I'm sure you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe. By pressing the bell icon, you will get notifications for my upcoming videos. Enjoy!